Alright, just bought a brand new Hoover carpet cleaner to replace the one that I lost. Well, that caught on fire. I use that at the house and the shop, so we're going to unbox it and see how it does on pet stings before we do anything else. It'll be better than any of the stings I have in the shop anyway, so see what assembly required, if any. And probably do better than a kitchen knife for opening it, but it works. Always your warranty, plug it in right, directions. We may need those, we may not. Get me started. Click, click, click. Quick use instructions. I want to keep those somewhere eventually. I'm going to use it with it on it. So we got the handle here. Just so you guys see how it's all boxed up in there, I'll put up on top. Attachment. A cleaner for the brush and the cover. Kind of a nice add-on. Assuming that's part of our handle. Scratch handle. It says click, click, but doesn't tell me which end here. Slide up over two little clips. That's how they run. Did come with a little Hoover deep clean and neutralize. We'll be making our own cleaner though. Another tank, it looks like. We have a set of 3-liter tank on this. Just warning signs. Fill from the top, a little screw top cap. The next line, a lot bigger tank than the other one. Upholstery attached hose. I don't know how often I'll actually use that, but have too much upholstery, needs it. How that works at a different time. Okay. Didn't want to move the tank. Somewhere to lift up on it. Tied cord. this should just push in is skinny side backwards. So this should just push and click in. She did. I'm not sure if I'm back out. That's interesting. Tank goes on top. Sits there. We got a deep clean setting and a quick clean setting on it. So we got deep clean. I don't know if you see that. We got deep clean and quick clean. I'll be deep clean most of the time probably. So, left here, remove the tank. Empty tank when red floaty is available. So, clean filter, maximum performance. Looks like that whole top opens up. It does. Get in there and clean that whole top off area. Much nicer than the old ones I've had. You've never been able to get in there and clean that stuff. It makes your carpet cleaner start looking pretty gross. I always feel like it defeats the purpose of cleaning when it's as gross as that. Sorry, I don't know how well I keep lined up in the corner of the camera view here. I'm not going to supervise me, but let's see now. Lay it down underneath. Clips back together, voila, tank's closed again, clicks in there, rests in place, goes on top. Down here is where you lift if you want to use your upholstery cleaner. That plugs in there, bypasses it, so that's how that works. There's gotta be a nozzle head attachment for that. Oh yeah, we put it up there already. There you go, guys. That's the Hoover's Heat Force Power Scrub XL. Now, we just gotta make sure we know fill lines, and we'll reposition the camera here and make some cleaner. And it looks like you can see that all there. Push forward. Get a good view of that. The Hoover XL. Alright guys, we're going to show you today how to make our own cleaning solution for a carpet cleaner. Instead of paying for overpriced carpet cleaning stuff from Hoover or Rug Doctor, I've used it this way. My niece borrowed it one day. I asked her how she was cleaning. She had done the same kind of recipe. I've seen professionals use it online, so I'm going to show you how I make my cleaning solution for. I'm going to make mine one way today, and then we'll go upstairs and we'll show you on a hardcore stain I got here from the cat, because you know he gets sick a lot sometimes. So I have quality stain to go show it work on. Show them not just making up that this works. I'll be able to show you. Instructions say fill this to the fill line, and then use our instructions. I don't have a precise recipe. I just kind of go by feel thing. Less is more depending which one of the soaps you use. As soon as we get this thing to full here, get pretty close. I'll do it all in real time. I'll probably make a shortcut it out at some point so that you don't have to watch this whole part. But alright, we got her full to the max line here. Check my camera view here. We're right in view now. I put it back in, so we're up to the max line. Now you can use Dawn or Palmolive or any high heavy duty. I've used a lot of that. If you use your dish soap, less is more. You don't want to use too much. It makes the water too soapy, and then your carpet gets really soapy, and it takes forever to clean it out, so less is more. That's why I've started using, I had laying around some Tide Fresh Clean. I used the Tide Fresh Clean. It's already the liquid version. Just a couple squirts in there goes a long ways, guys, but it doesn't bubble up or soap up nearly as bad as the dish soap. And you want to put it in before you put your water in so that it doesn't all bubble up while filling up. I put 1 button push per liter. It's a 3-liter cleaner, so I did 1 button push. I found online, I always kind of wondered, it's safe to throw a little isopropyl alcohol in there. I do 91%. You can use as much or as little as that you want. I find I use a decent amount of it. I give it a good pour. So it helps cut down. The last ingredient I got that I see no one else ever used, but I've added in recently. Just go get yourself some fabric softener. Get a little bit of Downy. It makes your carpet smell great, and it makes it nice and soft. If you use it in each batch, watch out. It can get a little potent and leave one heck of a smell. So make sure you like what scent you buy. I'm just going to get a cap full like I was doing a load of laundry. We dump that right in there. That gives us a nice blue hue to our clean water. Dump it all over the counter too while doing so. We're going to put the cap on it. Well, I'm going to find a paper towel. I thought I had paper towels up here. I didn't restock my roll. I got some Kleenexes here. I'll wipe the excess soap off the outside here. I'm going to put the cap in. The right way. Seal it up. I'm going to take this bad boy up and attack a stain with it. See what we get. Alright guys, going to give you a chance to see the cleaning solution. Take a shot at a real life stain. No fake stains, no artificially created, none done just for this video. Some good old fashioned cat puke from him having a seizure. I'm going to give you a chance to see it at work. You'll just have to take my word on the difference in smell, but all the rest you should be able to see. I guess you won't be able to feel that it's softer too, but if you believe in fabric softener, you'll believe in that. If you don't believe fabric softener makes it any softer, you should still at least believe how big of a difference it makes in the smell, because there's a lot. Sorry, I'm just trying to get my cord untangled. I thought I had it untangled before I got up here, but apparently I did not. Make sure I got enough cord. I don't need a lot to travel that little bit, but I'll untangle it worse while using it. Alright, so we got release here. Red button, here we go. There you go guys, just like that, that pet stain is gone. Don't be buying high-powered cleaning solutions when you can just mix your own with items you already have in the house for general cleaning. Amazing job it does. And now I'm just going to do the rest of my carpets. Y'all might want to see that, but I'm not going to sit here and record it. I need my phone back.